Okay, we are at 1/60th f16 ISO 100 with IBIS off, 2x teleconverter on the Manfrotto fluid head, shooting in 8K. And let's just watch the moon cruise by.
Well, here we are on the lens, and well, it is quite a lens. I've had the good fortune of shooting on this lens now for roughly the last week or so, and I got to be honest with you, my first impressions are it's blowing my mind. There are things like just the size and the weight, which are extraordinary, small, light, but also it's extremely sharp. The focus system is very, very fast, and the stabilization seems to be extraordinary. Yeah, when we're shooting at 800mm, I prefer the stabilized shot. We can certainly get away with handheld. This is an exciting lens. It really shows, from my perspective, what the future holds for the Z mount in general. From glass through to the camera, you just have such an extraordinary package. Well, in such a small package. And that is amazing. I mean, this is the Z9 with the small rig cage, with the Ninja. And the reality is, from my perspective, this will be a very big selling lens. That's my vibe on this lens, because it's so good, so light, the size is great, and the reach is extraordinary. And we can just see here in this shot how well the tracking works. I mean, this lens, it's uncanny. The distance that you can see, I've never worked with an 800mm lens before. This lens is pretty ridiculous. The fact that it can go out to 3,500 plus when it's shooting with the 2x teleconverter and the 2.3x crop, well, you know, it's nuts stuff. We've got beautiful clouds. Today, we're going to be shooting Ash. She has very kindly given her time for us to get some portrait photography with the lens. If you can be on that line, yeah, but that was perfect. Oh, I loved it. I mean, let's be flamboyant. Action!
Well, all I can say is the stars aligned with the Z9, the 800mm, and with Ash. A great location. We got some absolutely amazing pics, and this lens truly showed me what it is capable of in this sort of situation. It's up there with the 400mm from just a few weeks ago. What the Z9 and the 800 PF are capable of is outstanding. We can do everything from landscape, cityscape, wildlife, sports, to portraiture, and so much more. This is an outstanding combination of camera and lens. And here I wanted to show you a little bit of behind the scenes of how good the 800pf works with the Z9. And you can just see the tracking, even at this super long distance, even on this pre-production unit, it's all
love it, love it, love
outstanding.
it. So nice, so good.
The results.
Superstar. Love it. Good work, Mark.
I just simply can't say any more. They're there, they speak for themselves.
That's lovely, so good. Lovely, lovely. Keep going, keep going. Fabulous, fabulous. Look at you go. That is so good. Very nice, very nice. And cut. So here we are. I'm trying to get the city in the background, but the lens, well, it's so long, especially with its 2x teleconverter, that I'm failing to do that. So I will, oh, look at that. Oh, I've got the Ninja and everything on the back. I will have to take the teleconverter off shortly. So
here are some of my favorite images from the shoot. But honestly, it is so hard to choose. I've had a close look at these files and they are super sharp. As usual, we have the Nikon flexibility when it comes to file editing post-production. I think it says something for the production as a whole, both technical and creative, that we can bring this new lens to a location, a lens that I have never used before, and I was able to achieve absolutely optimal results first time out. This is fully pro. This is maximum pro. This, well, it's a dream.
Would you like to see what's going on? Let's have a look at the teleconverter part of how this 800pf lens works. And here we have the 1.4 and the 2x teleconverters. Let's start with the 1.4. It's very tiny. As we can see here, it's only about 1 centimeter or just under ½ inch in size. Now let's mount it here on the Z9. It really almost doesn't exist. It's so well made and it's so svelte, you can hardly see it in there. That's what it looks like with the 1.4 TC on it. Okay, so there's the 2x teleconverter on the 800. So that obviously takes us out to 1600 mil. 1600 mil, and if you were to go cropped sensor, because you still have 20 megapixels even when you're cropped, 1600 becomes 2400 mils. That's astonishing. And of course you can still shoot in 4K video and get all of your 4K video, so it's not a crop, at 2400 mils. Remember, in the Z9, in 4K 120, we get this 2.3 times crop. 3680 mils in 4K video 120. I think I've just lost my mind in this package. Wow. Wow, that is just complete and utter wow.
And I hear you ask, purple fringing, chromatic aberration. Well, I've seen none of it, so it appears to be very well suppressed with the 800pf.
It's been an absolute pleasure, and I have to thank Nikon very, very much for this amazing opportunity to work with this pre-production lens. It's been an amazing honor, and I hope I've done it justice. And I want to say thank you to you, the audience. Thank you so much for being here and joining me on a first for me and the channel. And I hope it's the first of many. This lens has been a complete delight to work with and to shoot with. There's a great deal of technology in here. Interestingly, this technology is based originally on lighthouse lenses. I've done a bit of research, and the lenses are called a Fresnel. They're not called a Fresnel, they're called a Fresnel lens. So the technology in a way is old, but knowing Nikon as we do, they will be applying it in the most high-tech way possible. So thank you so much for being here. Thank you, Nikon. I look forward to seeing you all again very soon. And if this is your first time here, I would love to see you again, so please do subscribe. We're going to have more exciting stuff like this. I don't know what, who knows what the future holds, but we will, we always will because I love this stuff. And please don't forget the website. A great way to support this channel is to jump on there and grab yourself a print. We send them all over the world. Enjoy. That's great, and cut.